Welcome back to my channel again. Very good evening to all of you. And today we going to discuss a very important topic, which is middleware. In my previous videos, I will never talk about middleware, what is middleware, why we use that. So, this is very new topic to all of you. So, let me discuss that and let me first open my Chrome and I will show you something. So, this is my registration page, and along with that this is my login page, and here I am having another navbar option, which is special offer, and inside that special offer I'm having my special offers item. I have to add those offers items, but it is not completed. I'm just showing you the usage of middleware, so that reason I'm just writing this header here as to show you. So let me come to the registration page, and if I press this button, the special offer, so it will came to a different template and it will show me the special offers. So inside, now we came to a example, a live example. So when everyone, we uses Amazon, we uses Flipkart, Myntra, Agio, various of e-commerce platform. So inside our Amazon, Myntra or Flipkart, there was or there will be some offers, and it will showing us some advertisement, some ads, like it will start from 12 o'clock in the night, in the midnight, or from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It will show us some messages in that e-commerce platform, in Amazon or Flipkart or Myntra, Agio, in everywhere. So when we press on that advertisement, it will not open, it will show us some messages that it will start from tomorrow, or it starts from today midnight. It will show us some messages. So that portion of advertisement, how it's work, so that I will discuss today. That is middleware. Using middleware we can achieve that. So let me show you. So in my Chrome I will show you, this page will came, that this page came to you as I press on this special offer button, and again if I goes to register a customer, so then I will show you something. So let me here, here is some variable which declare the restricted start and restricted end. It is some variable, and here I have to mention the uh, time from which the restrictions start and when the restriction end. So let me press 20 here, because now it's time 24/7. So I mentioned here 20, and this is let's 21. So let came here again, and now if I press on this special offer, so here has come our restriction page, which will show us that our services are temporarily unavailable between 20 means it's 8, and from 8 to 9 it is unavailable, temporarily unavailable. After 9 it will again start. But again if I press here, like here if I press 16, or here is 15, so this will again show us some special offers. Like here you can see these special offers. So let me explain. This is the usage of middleware. Using middleware you can achieve this restriction part. So let me show you the code. So this is the middleware code, and here I am taking the render function from Django shortcuts, and from date time I am importing date time and time, because I have to mention the current time and the date also. I am not mentioning here the date, uh, but you can add that date also. So here I am taking a class, and I give the name as restrict access middleware, and this middleware I have to mention a path, that in this path it will show us that restriction. So that part I have to mention. So in the very first I'm mentioning the project level route, and then the app level route, because here you can see this is my project level, the final project, and here I am having urls.py. So here you can see this profile is my project level route, and inside my final project app here is another url. Here you can see uh, sorry, in not inside this, I'm having another app, this which is category, and inside that I am having, sorry, I'm having here, yes, I'm having urls.py here inside my product app, and here I am having another route which is offer. So this offer will show us a specific it will directly goes to some specific method, and it will show us some html template also, that I will show you inside our template. Here is product tab, and here I am having this home.html, and it shows us this special offer page, and that restricted access.html also I have inside this project app. And if again I came to this, I'm mentioning that middleware inside final project app, and this is my restrict middleware. And inside a middleware there is two type of method. One is init underscore init underscore, and another is underscore call underscore. And inside init we have to pass self. It is a mandatory parameter, and after that I am passing another parameter which is get response. And inside call we have to pass self and another parameter which is request. So uh, every time when our Django server will run, it will came here inside this init method, and for that reason I am print here a message, and I will show you that this will be printed when I fire that command python manage.py run server. So every time when I fire, it will show me that messages, that it will show us we are seeing restrict access middleware initialized. So let me show you. So let me, okay, then I fire this command. So okay, so here you can see we are seeing restrict access middleware initialized. So it will show us this message. And when when we are accessing any of this button or this special offer, it will came to another method which is call. Every route it will traverse, it will check that middleware, that specific middleware which I mentioned, and which is inbuilt inside our Django. It will check every time those condition inside that middleware, and after that it will open every route or every template. So here I am having a call method, and this is my custom middleware. So this custom middleware I have to configure inside my project level settings.py, and inside settings.py I am having a middleware section, middleware array, and inside that I am configure my custom middleware along with that app name, and then inside that my file name, and after that my class name. So final project app is my app, and inside that app I am having middleware.py which I mentioned here, and after that inside middleware.py I am having this class which is restrict access middleware that I mentioned inside my settings.py. So this is how you can configure that the custom middleware which you have created. So again came to middleware.py. So here is the call, and uh, when you came to your website or web application and want to fire some command, so when you run the web server, so for that time it will call this init method. Every time it will call the init method. After that, when we want to access some route, some navbar keys, like here you are having, sorry, you're having login, register customer, register vendor, special offer. If this routes has any middleware, inside that middleware, the call method will call at the very first. It will check the conditions. If the condition gets true, then only this route will work. So, if I came here inside register customer, and this is the page, so I'm having in this route special offer, I'm having a custom middleware. So when I fire this, when I press that route, so it will came to a different template, and it have to show me a message which I printed inside my method, call method, that middleware called for path and the requested path with the along with the date time now, that now the date and the time of now. So here you can see I'm accessing that route, so it will show me a message that middleware called for path route slash product slash offer slash at 2025 second 18 means 18th February 2025, and the time is 8:55 33 second. So this how you can understand when I access every route, it will came to this call method, and it will show me this message. If I not print this message, it will not show me that message also. And inside that call I have to mention my condition which I mentioned here. So let me explain. So this is I'm taking a variable. So inside that variable I have to store my current hour, current time. So for that reason, they along with this date time dot now and dot hour, so this is how I can get the current hour or current time on, and I stored that time to this variable current hour. And after that I have to define the restriction period. So restricted start and restricted end I have to mention here. And if the path request dot path means this path, slash product slash offer slash in self dot restricted path means the requested path means I have different paths inside my um application. I am having register customer a different path, register vendor a different path, login is a different path. This all are working, but when the user press this special offer, it will check the restricted path and the requested path are same or not. If those two paths are same, it will check by this condition. So if this is true, after that it will check restricted start, the current time, and the restricted end. If the current hour is in between restricted start and restricted end, which I mentioned previously, so it will came to a different template which I already showed you. Inside my product app, I'm having another HTML or template, that is restricted access.html. And if the time, the current hour is in between my restricted start and restricted end, it will directly goes to that specific template. It will not show you the special offer details. So, and it will show you the start time and the end time of that restriction, and it will return a self dot get response request. So this is how you can achieve a middleware. So this is how you can restrict it a specific route in your project. So again I will show you. So this is working. So okay, every route is working. The special offer route is also working, but let me get into the code part. And if I mention here 20 and again here 21, let me check the time. So it will be 21 soon. So 21 and 22, so let me check. Okay, 21 and 22 in between 9 and 10. 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. in between my restriction should be happen. So let me check the restriction happen or not. So okay, I have to press this route. Okay, okay, every route working. Let me check. Okay, it will not showing me. Wait a second. Let me check here. 2022. Oh, it will not take that. Let me, okay, let me do this. I think my time is not right. Okay, my time is not right now, so for that it will not working. Now it's working. So in between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., not 9 p.m., 10 p.m., it will not working. So it is restricted in between this period, and you cannot access those special offers. So this how you can, this routes, this registration route is working, but this special offer route is not working. It is restricted. And so this is the middleware, and this is how you can achieve middleware in your project and making your project a bit unique. So this is all for today, and let me know in the comments if you having any type of difficulties to achieve this. So bye bye.